All right, QA job of the day is with it's a QA analyst with Gamechanger. All right, don't worry about when it was posted and how many applicants. Let's position and apply. It's 80 to 110 per year. Do you like games? Listen, I love this as a QA role because listen, they are not asking for any automation. Now they are asking you to help advise on the test automation strategy. So that means you should definitely be able to contribute because we teach you how. Right, especially after the internship. So you are going to definitely collaborate with the engineering and design team and product management, coordinate with other QAs, contribute to the planning sessions and testing efforts, anticipate, proactively mitigate risk, develop and execute test plans. I mean, this is core QA skills and responsibilities. I don't see any reason why none of my students can't actually apply for this role. In fact, it says test automation is a plus. GitHub is a plus, meaning you don't have to actually have proficiency in these to land this role. Let's position and apply. Every single one of my students with the experience they gain in road to QA can definitely at least apply for this role because you guys have at least 90% to apply for this role. Let's go.